My name is Hannah Petty. I teach 7th grade English at Walter J. Baird Middle School in Lebanon, Tennessee. Today we had a school-wide assembly where Vive18 presented their Choose Skill Sets presentation to our 6th and 7th graders about living a drug and substance-free lifestyle. The students were highly engaged, very involved, which is really challenging with middle schoolers. It's really hard to toe that line between being too immature and too mature with your content, and Vive18 was able to toe that line perfectly using the drums and games and t-shirts, which are always great with the students. Even the more challenging ones were highly engaged in the presentation. Usually drug prevention messages are really dark and kids leave feeling somewhat in a dark mood. And this was not. It was upbeat. Kids were feeling positive, feeling good, feeling like, oh, I have a future. So it was really just shining a light on the positives of living a substance-free lifestyle versus the negatives of the other, which is just a different approach, something I've never seen before. I would highly recommend Vive18 to be used in especially any middle school setting. If you are looking for a presentation that's actually going to engage middle schoolers, this is definitely the program for you.